Wonderful Biafrans, lovers of freedom all over the world. I greet you, my people. You know, sometimes we don't bring certain news to your doorstep. You will just see it on the internet, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. You know, this our struggle comes with a lot of surprises, with a lot of character, different human being, people who come to use Biafra to be content creators, to use Biafra to make money. Some are here for real, sincerely and truthfully. When a Jiofo, betrayed Onyendu, probably Onyendu didn't get it until he started hearing. Same thing now goes to our PM. Ngozi Orabufulani thought that she would betray our PM and that nothing will happen to her and her group, just like Nelly Ofebu. But now, my people, I will assure you that Biafra, we are whiter than white, whiter than snow, according to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who said that whenever you are doing something, if no one is after you, then you know that what you are doing is not yielding any fruit or making any progress. So what all these, I don't know how to describe them, distractors, all these leeches around us, what they are doing, it shows that what we are doing is having very great impact. Now, Arman Dabiri PLC, they have actually sued Ngozi on behalf of Biafra government in exile. Nigeria fly-by-night journalists and all those media in Nigeria, very weak journalists, propaganda everywhere. They are telling you that Simon Ekpa is suing Ngozi. And Ngozi in turn is telling her gullible followers that they should not mind criminals. Ogenkere, Elias, what's his name? Vam, and our information minister, Mazi Soni Akparawa. But the truth is that Arman Dabiri law firm is very powerful. When somebody is representing you legally, what you go to ask or what you seek for is what they call, what is it called again? Success rate. That Arman Dabiri is not a joke. So for those of you who think that we're here to joke, Ngozi will be a very big example. They will use her as exemplary uh, person in this very case. They will use her. She was telling her people, don't mind them. But when it starts happening, if you are still following Ngozi, especially all these content creators who knew nothing about Biafra, I don't like carrying Ngozi's video, but I will put this one here and you will all see what she is saying. Both all his media, all this crayfish media with her, what's his name? 247, 419, or Lucigo or Nabago 419. You will see what she told them. And I will tell you how Arman Dabiri, his success rate, the caliber of people that he represented. So, my people, let me just play Ngozi's voice for you.
It would be difficult for us to really create one of the best countries in the world. So some of us are very, very happy. Many Biafrans are very, very happy. When you see repeated events occurring, we already know where it's coming from, and they're already dead on arrival. Biafrans do not be moved at all with all the tricks, all the shenanigans that are being played out by these criminals, using foreigners to attack us, using foreigners to pretend that they wanted Biafra. A foreigner like that crazy, stupid Elias can never, ever be more Biafran than you and I. These are paid agents of the Nigerian state with the one called Dabiri to disrupt what we are doing. And I promise them,
You will answer in the
even though our
court.
prime
This
minister
woman
is
is
not
still
out,
repeating what she
I
has
am here
repeated
to
before.
play the role that Simon Ekpa is playing. If the prime minister was here, these criminals with Ogenkere, Sonia Akparawa, Elias, Dabiri, they can never do what they're doing. They do
When
not
you
have the
get to the
balls.
court,
They can't
must
do
say
that.
this in the
But you know
court.
what? Biafrans are here to stop them. We will stop them on their tracks. Nothing is going to move us. So again, Biafran, do not be moved by those irrelevant court or no court. Those are things they do to distract us, but we can never be moved.
Dear friends, let me read out for you from the lawsuit. He said, Arman Dabiri Esq is a Washington-based international legal counsel for BRGIE, currently led by Acting Prime Minister Ogechukwu Nkere. Mr. Dabiri has represented a number of high-profile international clients throughout the Africa and the Middle East, including governments of Libya, Sudan, Armenia, and Kazakhstan, among others. Notably, Mr. Dabiri served as a long-time legal counsel for Libya longtime leader Muammar Gaddafi and played a critical role in assisting the government of Libya in reaching a 2.7 billion settlement of the Lockerbie case, which allowed the removal of both UN and US economic sanctions against Libya and the establishment of diplomatic relationship between Libya and the United States. So, Biafrans, let's see how Ngozi will wriggle out of this sort of man. Let us see. At least she will be in court. Arman Dabiri is not joking. And it was PM who employed him. And you all know that PM, he doesn't eat without cooking properly and making sure that you are done before he will cook you and eat. So this case, Ngozi, just attack Biafra government, Republic of Biafra government in exile at your own risk. I will leave it here, my people. All hail Biafra. We are really winning. Thank you, my people. Share this message and let it go viral.